Good morning, everybody. Appreciate you waking up with us this morning. We got to take these boys outside and give them a walk and let them go to the bathroom. We're going to jump back in the truck. It's a beautiful day today, and we're going to head back home towards St. Louis, and we'll see you on the road.
Beautiful day out here in Rogersville, Alabama at Joe Wheeler State Park. Actually got pretty chilly last night. We had to turn on the heater in the camper for just a little bit, and I bet those people sleeping in tents over there got pretty chilly. Just gonna take these boys out here for a walk. These guys are not used to having to be on leashes when we're at home. We can just let them out. We have a pretty big yard and they can just go out and roam freely, and they come right back to the door, so we are a little spoiled when we're at home. I think I hear Brent knocking on the window in there. He's probably mooning us and we don't even know it. Such a peaceful place to stay here. And I was looking on the map, it looks like it's the Tennessee River, but it's also Wheeler Lake. Alright, Tucky, you ready to go back inside? Let's go. Finish getting everything packed up in here, get the slides put away. How's your coffee?
I feel so alive! I feel like I'm on top of the world. But this is my second cup of coffee, and I slammed down a sugary donut, so that might have something to do with it.
Oh, yum. Oh, so I had to take the dogs on a walk, and you've been in here eating breakfast.
I've been working.
Yeah. See how this goes? Wally said, where's his donut?
We don't want a donut with Wally, you know. They'll end up in the back seat of the cars.
Yeah. Wally has a really sensitive stomach. Yesterday, his nerves were pretty bad, and he actually threw up twice while we were packing up and trying to leave. He drinks too much water, and up it goes on the floor. Oh, Wally. He's a good boy, though.
Today is a day of memories and pondering and reflecting on life. And the meaning of that is, I don't know. But we'll figure it out.
Deep thoughts. Tucky's ready to go home today. We are going home to see Baby and Hazel. They want to go home, don't you? Yes, we want to go home and see our kitty friends. Oh, sorry, Tucky.
We about ready to go?
Pretty close.
Do I have anything in my teeth?
That is disgusting.
Are you guys a chocolate glazed or those little ball ones? The little ball ones look like.
Chocolate ones are my favorite.
I like the little ball cinnamon ones. I think that's cinnamon, ain't it?
I don't know.
I don't care. As long as my hand goes in there and pulls back one of these out, I'm alright.
Chocolate ones are the best.
99 100.
Good job, Ed.
Now I'm ready to go.
You worked off both of those donuts.
I'll be outside doing man stuff, babe.
Good idea, babe.
Is the black tank ready to be flushed?
Yes. Please do.
Okay. Open sesame. Black. No letting it mellow here, folks. So clean you could eat off it, folks. I really need to give this thing a wash this weekend, folks. It's taken a beating on this trip. The roof was under trees. I blew most of it off. They're staining. Bugs all over the front. Do you guys usually wash yours as soon as you get home, or do you wait a little bit? I like to get mine off right off the bat so the bugs don't stick all over it. But that's my job when I get home. I probably got a mountain of grass to cut too. But you know what? That's how life works. And I'm just the guy who can take care of it. Okay, time for gray tank. Flush her down, folks. Just like Folgers, folks. Good to the last drop.
Just found Wally's ducky, and he is probably having a panic attack right now in the truck without his ducky. Wally, look what I found! Yes, good boy. And we decided we're gonna travel a little different today. We're gonna leave the ottoman over here instead of the recommended over here, because this chair right here, it was getting smashed into the dinette there, and it wore this little spot right here, and it was so upset when I saw that. I kind of wanted to cry. So we're traveling with pillowcases to protect it, hopefully, and we're not going to have the ottoman here either. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put in slide 1, and I'm praying that it works today. Okay, thank you God. Because yesterday, for some reason, I was like, I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but the slide was not coming in. Better actually. Okay, what I ended up doing was just putting both of the pillows on the one side and then a blanket just in case the ottoman slides forward over here into the island. So I think that should do it. Does anyone else travel with this many drinks? I gotta have my coffee still and my water, and then we got a soda for later. But what's nice is that you have your own bathroom with you, so you don't even have to worry about going in nasty bathrooms at gas stations and truck stops. So, win-win.
Right on it. Okay. She just doesn't trust me, folks. And for good reason, folks. I forgot to put the jacks up. Crooked as a politician.
All good to go. These boys are ready to go home. Let's go. Making our first fill up here of the day. We are somewhere, we just got into Tennessee from Alabama, so pulled into this gas station here. I'm not really a fan of like the smaller gas stations just because it makes me nervous getting in and out of them, but this one's actually, it's really nice. It's not too busy, so it was a little easier to get into this one actually. And we were running pretty low on gas, so we'll see how much this fill up cost us. It's been a pretty nice ride through here. Nice rolling hills, and nice green, lush grass and property.
Would you like to go potty?
I'm okay, actually. Thanks for asking. How much are we paying today per gallon?
About a purdy's mouth's worth. $3.99.
$3.99.
Yes. Remember the good old days when it was in the $3.50 area?
Remember way back when it was like 92 cents a gallon?
Yeah. Used to go up to the gas station when I was a kid and 50 cents, fill up your little gallon gas tank for the lawnmower.
This will probably be the cheapest gas we'll get all day, actually, Heading back to Illinois, we're probably going to be paying almost $5 a gallon.
Prison rules, folks. Prison rules.
That's right.
You ever had a Hunt's Brothers pizza?
Nope.
What they're like. You see them at every gas station, pretty much.
Yeah, they must be decent.
Probably like one of them Jacks or something you get.
We're looking forward to our Panda Express tonight. I gotta have my teriyaki chicken. I haven't had it in over a week, and we usually get it at least once a week, sometimes twice.
Orange chicken, folks. Orange chicken.
Teriyaki chicken and sesame chicken, that's where it's at.
I'm not old. I just can't see.
But he is older than me. What's the damage on that one?
$100.
$100. There you have it. Right outside of somewhere near Kentucky Lake Dam area, and on our second fill up for the day, it looks like we're up to $4.19 a gallon now in Kentucky. When we left Alabama, the last fill up we were at, I think he said $3.99 or maybe $3.79. Yeah, we're at $4.19 now, and I know when we get back home to Illinois, my daughter said is up at around $4.75 a gallon, so fun stuff. We actually just talked to a couple at a rest area about a half an hour ago, and she was telling us how they are full-time RVers, but they're thinking about just staying put for a while because of these gas prices being so crazy. And I can't say that I blame them at all. It's hard out there right now for people, especially diesels. Oh my goodness, the price of diesel fuel is crazy too. You might all have to get us a motorcycle like these guys. They're kind of doing it right now.
I told her I lived in a gated community, folks. Well, folks, after driving way too long today, we pushed it too far to try to make it home. We finally made it back, and it feels good. I think the dogs are going to be ready to get out and stretch their legs, because I know I am.
Home sweet home.
Home sweet home.
I'm just excited to go see my kitties.
I gotta get this thing backed up. Boy, look at that grass. It needs to be cut too. Been gone a little while.
Looks like you got your work cut out.
Yeah, I put fertilizer on it, and that's really taken off too. So.
See, he's even having fun cleaning, guys. Might as well make the best of it. Alright, well, while he's taking care of the outside, I'm gonna go inside and start getting the inside clean so we can get this thing put away till our next trip. Ducky! Good ducky! This little guy will sit and do this all day. And that's Hazel down there. Hazel was happy to see us come home last night too. But like I said, our two cats hate each other. So I don't really think we could make that work, taking them in the camper together. Not big enough for these two kitties.
All right, guys, we were talking probably earlier in this video that we were talking about St. Louis foods, and one of the most famous things that we have around St. Louis is the St. Louis style pizza and toasted raviolis. Well, the place that you want to get it at, and when you come to St. Louis, is at Emo's. Let me turn this. This is Emo's, and it's very famous around St. Louis, and it's not your ordinary pizza. It's like a cracker style crust pizza, and it's got provolone cheese. Is that what it is?
Provolone.
Provel cheese. And it's a different taste, and they cut it into little bitty squares. And here's the other one.
Toasted ravioli. These are classic for St. Louis. So if you guys ever come to St. Louis, make sure you try out Emo's style, St. Louis style pizza from Emo's, and the toasted ravioli.
Marinara sauce that you dip it in, and they're just toasted up, and they're like raviolis, but they're toasted up, and they are awesome. We appreciate you guys, and we really thank you guys for watching our videos on our Florida series. And we are going to get down and dirty on that Emo's pizza and that toasted ravioli. Kelly, what do you think about it all?
I am starving, ready to eat some dinner, and we're gonna sit down, relax, and watch our Sunday evening shows. We have a few of our YouTubers that we sit down and watch every weekend, so that's what we're getting ready to do. Thank you guys for coming along on our trip with us. We hope that you liked our videos, and go subscribe to our channel, Hitched for Life, if you haven't done that yet, and catch us on the next video.
Thank you guys, appreciate you.